Hello, and welcome to Swift eLearning Services. Today, in this video, we will show you how to embed Articulate Storyline 360 blocks in Articulate Rise. Articulate Rise has a feature which allows you to embed content designed in Storyline. To embed Storyline blocks in Rise, we have latest version of Articulate Storyline 360. First, design a slide in Articulate Storyline 360. Here, I have created one custom drag-and-drop interaction. Once done, click on Publish ribbon and select Articulate Storyline 360. Here, we can publish the content in two ways. If you publish this content for first time, we need to select Create a new item. If you already published this course in Articulate Storyline 360, we can select Publish a new version of existing item. Click on Publish button. Now, open your Articulate Rise course. Click on Edit Content. Next, click on plus sign, and select Interactive. Now, select Storyline from Accordion. A block will create on screen. Finally, click on Browse Articulate 360 and choose your published course from library. Once done, you can preview and test your course. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Or, visit us at www.swiftelearningservices.com.